Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a process time-lapse tutorial of a commissioned couple sketch of a Nagpur client. As you can see, I have already drawn the initial line sketch using a grid method on A1 size Brustro 300 GSM drawing paper. All the materials required regarding this sketch are mentioned in the description below, so you can check out the details. Before coloring, I just erased all the grid lines using an kneadable eraser from brand Brustro. To start with, I am working on the hair details of man first. A sketch has three tones, that is a light tone, that is also called a highlight, a mid tone, that is between light tone and dark tone, and third one is the dark tone, that is also called the shadows or the depth areas. As you can see in the video, while coloring the hairs, what I am doing is I am applying a light yellow as a base for the hair, because this portrait has neon yellow reflections on their hair and face, etc. So that's the reason I have started with a yellow base. Then I have drawn all the strands with a golden brown. For the mid tones, I have used a chocolate brown color, and for showing the depth areas, I have used the black color. So this has taken almost 2 to 3 hours for all the hair strands. Now I am doing the man's face, which has the same yellow light reflection, starting with the forehead, which has the tints of light pink, light orange, and I have left the highlights of the forehead as white. Now, while doing the beard section of that man, just understand that direction of those hairs are very important in the beard and the mustache section. Just understand in which direction the hair strands are going and how much thickness of hair or how much depth it is showing in the portrait. In the same way, you can proceed with different elements of the face such as eyes, nose, lips. Understanding the shadows under the neck area, the creases and folds of the clothes are very important to get its realistic look. The portrait of size A1, that is about 36 inch by 48 inch, that took a duration of 30 hours of sketching. You can check out the reference versus sketch details at the end of this video. We are open for all types of commission works in different mediums such as graphite sketch, color pencil sketch, acrylic painting, watercolor painting, soft pastels art and oil painting. Shipping across the globe. Our studio is based at Nagpur. If you have any queries regarding the materials used or any process or details about art, you can just comment in the comment section and ask me anything. You can also join our online and offline classes for the professional courses in oil painting and sketching and crafting. Just contact in the given number in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video.